I'm from Singapore. My name is Magis. So why I joined in Be International? Actually, I have a heart problem. I'm a heart patient. So it's a 7 years before I do the heart surgery, I transport the heart and the valve. So after a few years later, I will get another problem, same the problem in the heart. One valve come out from the heart. So they do the second surgery. So 2 times I do the open surgery in my heart. So the second time they do so much of a scope in my leg, everything. So I cannot walk in my, after the operation, I can't walk my leg. Cannot stand, cannot walk, nothing, no any feeling. Nearly 1.5 years I sit in wheelchair. So I have in the home I have to wear oxygen every time. Every 2 hours or 1 hour I have to go. If I go out, I have to carry the thing to go out. So I have so many difficult in my life. So difficult. So after I get to know that the Indonesia product, I see the TikTok. So I saw many people's testimony. They can many problem they come out from the problem. So I why not I can try. So, but I still very stubborn. Don't want because my doctor I take the University Hospital, a specialist, the doctor. He's a very special doctor and a professor. She is doing treatment. She said can't help anything because my leg is they cannot walk forever. So why these soft pants can walk? Like that I think. So later a bit after 3 months I was thinking why not try. So I call the person. I say I tell my problem. So they say why not you try the aloe vera pens and some supplement. So okay, try. So I wear the pens and the supplement. Within 3 days, I can see some different in my body. So I just patient I wear because they say the pants must wear 22 hours. So then only it can be stable your leg. So still I wear. So within 3 weeks, my leg I can stand. I can step. I try to stand. I a bit slowly I start to walk, but still a bit not very stable lah. So after 3 months, I start to walk already with the wheelchair. I don't want the helper, and I breathing also very easy. So I no need to carry the tongue every time go anywhere. So I spent for the doctor checkup. Doctor said, okay, because every night I take 15 tablets. Morning I take 10 tablets. So every time I want to take, I will drink the water a lot. So every time my heart will be water tension. I will admitted ICU. 3 months I took 2 months in ICU. They all continue for 7 years like that. So suddenly they stop everything and my urine control also say everything normal. So I'm so happy already. So good, so happy. So I relieve from the everything. So now, last time I walk with the helper and a walking stick. Now I no need the walking stick, everything lah. So I'm very good. So I start to share with the people.
Okay, sharing the product lah.
Product. So I share. People they know that most of people they know I am walking with the walking stick with the wheelchair. So everybody like very surprised. I was walking and my total body
Don't look
changed
like
a lot.
patient.
I am a 69 years old.
Oh,
So everything is changed. My body, my face, my everything changed. So I feel I also very happy. So I start to share with people. So I get the customers, a lot of customers. So I have now Singapore, I have 4, 5 lines I have, and Malaysia I have 2 lines, and now I come as a DCA. So now I take Kafan already, and my downline 2 people also taking Kafan.
wow.
So I'm very happy join in the Be International. Totally changed my life. That's why they carry out my life. So very happy I joined in Be International.